But while private businesses address technology overload, government agencies are embracing artificial intelligence to solve entirely different problems. AI assistants transform government. Government offices now feature multilingual AI assistants that handle citizen inquiries in 80% of locations nationwide. Walk into any city hall, immigration office, or tax bureau today, and you'll encounter digital systems that communicate in multiple languages, eliminating communication barriers that once made government services inaccessible to foreign residents. These AI assistants operate across municipal offices, prefectural buildings, and national agency locations. The systems handle everything from residence registration to tax inquiries, providing instant responses without human intervention. Touchscreen interfaces and voice recognition technology allow users to interact naturally with government services that previously required lengthy explanations and translation assistance. Languages supported include English, Chinese, Korean, Vietnamese, and Portuguese, covering the 5 largest foreign resident populations in Japan. Services range from basic form completion assistance to complex immigration procedure guidance. The AI systems access government databases directly, providing accurate information about requirements, deadlines, and necessary documentation. Processing times decreased from hours to minutes for routine inquiries. Citizens report 85% satisfaction improvements when using AI-assisted services compared to traditional counter interactions. Foreign residents who previously avoided government offices due to language barriers now complete necessary procedures independently. These technological improvements represent comprehensive modernization of public services, but other workplace reforms target fundamental changes in how Japanese employees spend their time. Mandatory vacation laws take effect. Japanese companies now face legal requirements to ensure employees actually take their vacation days. The 2025 mandatory vacation laws require employers to verify that workers use at least 70% of their annual paid leave, with government inspectors conducting random audits to ensure compliance. This represents the most aggressive intervention in workplace vacation policies Japan has ever implemented. Companies must actively encourage vacation usage and document when employees refuse time off. Human resources departments track vacation consumption rates and report annually to labor authorities. Penalties for non-compliance include fines reaching 500,000 yen per violation, plus mandatory workplace culture training programs. Repeat offenders face business license suspensions and public disclosure of their violation records. This forces structural changes in how companies schedule projects and manage workloads. Managers must plan around mandatory employee absences, requiring better resource allocation and realistic deadline setting. Traditional expectations of unlimited availability crumble under legal requirements that prioritize worker well-being over productivity demands. Employee satisfaction surveys show 67% improvement in work-life balance scores since implementation. Health benefits include reduced stress-related medical visits and improved sleep quality among workers who actually take time off. These workplace reforms reflect broader shifts in Japanese society, where legal protections now extend into areas once considered purely private business decisions. Cryptocurrency goes mainstream. Financial technology now extends beyond traditional banking into digital currencies that reshape daily commerce. Walk into major retailers across Japan today, and you'll find QR codes for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies displayed alongside traditional payment options. This 25% acceptance rate at major retailers represents the highest cryptocurrency adoption any developed nation has achieved. Bitcoin leads cryptocurrency acceptance, followed by Ethereum and Ripple, which appeal to Japanese consumers familiar with digital transactions. Local cryptocurrency exchanges like Bitflyer and Coincheck partner directly with retailers to enable seamless payment processing. These platforms convert cryptocurrency instantly to yen, eliminating price volatility concerns for merchants. Payment systems utilize sophisticated security measures, including multi-signature wallets, real-time fraud detection, and blockchain verification that prevents double spending. Retailers implement point-of-sale terminals that generate unique QR codes for each transaction, ensuring secure cryptocurrency transfers without exposing customer wallet information. Consumer adoption reaches 18% among Japanese adults under 40, with usage concentrated in electronics purchases and online shopping. Monthly cryptocurrency transactions average 45,000 yen per user, indicating substantial spending through digital currencies rather than occasional small purchases. This positions Japan as the global leader in digital currency adoption, surpassing regulations in other major economies. Government support through clear cryptocurrency taxation rules and business-friendly policies enables widespread merchant acceptance. These technological advances complement broader social initiatives that address fundamental human needs through innovative service delivery. Mental health support goes 24/7. Crisis support systems now operate continuously to address Japan's growing mental health needs. Japan launched comprehensive 24/7 multilingual mental health hotlines in 2025, creating the most accessible crisis intervention system the country has ever implemented. These services operate around the clock, ensuring that anyone experiencing mental health emergencies can receive immediate assistance regardless of the time or day. The hotlines handle over 50,000 calls monthly, with usage increasing 180% since their launch. Crisis intervention specialists provide immediate emotional support, suicide prevention counseling, and emergency psychiatric assessments. Trained professionals offer guidance for anxiety attacks, depression episodes, and psychological crises that require urgent attention without waiting for business hours or appointments. Services include crisis intervention, emotional support, and direct referrals to mental health professionals and specialized treatment facilities. The hotlines support Japanese, English, Chinese, Korean, and Portuguese, covering the 5 most common languages spoken by residents. Professional interpreters ensure accurate communication during crisis situations when precise understanding becomes critical for safety. Mental health outcomes improved significantly through early intervention capabilities that prevent crises from escalating. Help-seeking behavior increased as language barriers disappeared and stigma reduced through anonymous access that protects caller privacy. The government allocated 8.5 billion yen annually for staffing trained counselors, therapists, and multilingual interpreters who operate these services continuously. This investment reflects broader systematic changes affecting every aspect of daily life across the country. These transformations reveal a nation that rebuilt itself completely while maintaining its cultural identity. From KFC Christmas orders processed through smartphone apps to AI government assistants communicating in 5 languages, Japan demonstrates how traditional societies can embrace radical change without losing their essence. The speed of this transformation exceeds what most observers thought possible. Remote work adoption jumped from 13% to 35% in just 3 years. Foreign residents gained municipal voting rights. Cryptocurrency acceptance reached 25% of major retailers. Mental health services expanded to 24/7 multilingual support. Each change represents deliberate policy decisions that prioritized practical solutions over traditional resistance to change. Japan's evolution offers a blueprint for other developed nations confronting similar demographic pressures, technological disruption, and cultural adaptation challenges. The country proved that comprehensive modernization can happen rapidly when governments, businesses, and citizens align around shared goals for the future.